Blockchain is a decentralized system that is not controlled by a third part. It has different types and each is designed for a specific purpose. Blockchains are like roads. Just as roads have different types, blockchains have different types as well and are not limited to one specific type. Each blockchain network is designed for a specific purpose and in addition to that includes independent elements that form a special ecosystem next to one another. When we say blockchain ecosystem, we mean a group of elements that interact with each other and the world around them to create an environment with special features. For example, the cryptocurrency ecosystem based on blockchain has 4 parts or elements: the users, cryptocurrency miners, investors, and the developers. Users are normal people that use blockchain and cryptocurrencies such as COUNOS for their different purposes. For example, these people like to engage in a sort of micro-investing by buying and holding on to cryptocurrencies. Investors form a large part of the blockchain ecosystem. This part of the blockchain environment looks for small and large-scale planning for the future. In order for the blockchain system to work properly and for its integrity to be preserved, there is a need for a large network of independent users across the world that are active in this system consistently. In public blockchains, any user can be in the blockchain network and appear as a COUNOS or other cryptocurrencies miner. In the mining process, miners confirm the transactions that have taken place on the blockchain infrastructure and add new data of a transaction to the blockchain network infrastructure. As it was mentioned earlier, blockchain has different types. Developers are those that work on the already existing programs on the blockchain infrastructure. Some of them develop applications based on blockchain and write programs that have different purposes and offer different services in various fields via blockchain to users all across the world.